Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to verify all your Paws accounts before your airdrop. It's very important. So you need to go to your Telegram and you're going to go and open your Paws. Now so you go to Telegram and open Paws. Now once you open your Paws, before you need to open your Paws, let's go to one place now. If you're using your Android phone, click on your three dots, and if you're using an iPhone, click on your settings down here. Now go to your chat. Go to your chat. Go to settings. Once you go to your settings, now go to your chat settings. Once you go to your chat settings, I'm going to go and say this in-app browser. Make sure it's turned on. If it's not turned on, turn your own on. So after that, let's go and open our Paws. Open your Paws. So once you open your Paws, you need to make sure your Paws is in good shape before the listing date is confirmed. So after that, what you need to do is go to visit our website. Now make sure you use Chrome. Click on Chrome. You can say verify yourself. Click on verify yourself. You need to, you can see, so you need to scroll down on this. You can see this one is not connected. So this one, make sure the two of it is connected. What is disconnected? It's very simple. You can see. So once you have do this, that means everything is done. It's very easy. You can see this two is connected. So that's how you're going to do it. So after that, so make sure you connect everything, and that means you are safe and you have verified it very well. So I'm going to go back again, and this is the ask to add this to home screen. Okay, now I'm going to install it. So that is very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.